Today is Monday, June 5th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz variant filler extension set. This is a 9-piece set for my friend Mike in New York. It's comprised of the rear license plate filler panel, the two left and right front nose extensions, the two left and right rear quarter panel extensions, the two horizontal lay-down bumper fillers, which in 1975 and 76 has the cutout cavity to facilitate the installment of the rear brake lights, whereas in 77 and 78 this is solid and the brake lights are facilitated through the rear quarter panel bumper end, which is vertical with reflectors and looks like a brake light but is not in 76 until 77 and 78, and the front headlamp horizontal filler panels. Okay, so this is a 9-piece set. This is an aromatic composite, triple composite, with a hard shell coating in order to facilitate the replicating magic mirror period correct high gloss finish, which is very difficult to obtain, particularly with the fire mist colors such as number 36 Firethorn Red and some of the other exotic heavy metallic fire mists. In this particular instance, this is going to be a number 11 Cotillion White. But what makes this variant specific for the Biarritz is that it has the chrome edging that goes all along the lip, the bottom lip of the horizontal filler, and goes up the side. And this U-channel chrome filament cannot be generally attached unless it has this special Biarritz cutout. Okay, and that allows for the circumnavigating all the way around the license plate of chrome edging, or what appears to be chrome edging, which in this case is a flexible U-shaped chrome cord. So as we can see, we have the special cutout. We can look at it over here as well, where the filament piece attaches into the special cutout groove specific for the Biarritz variant, which only I produce. Okay, and this will be going out to Mike as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to the 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard to source original vintage Cadillac items such as these beautiful exotic filler extensions. Today is Monday, June 5th. Thank you very kindly.